Located on 129 Trail Ridge Drive, Sandia, Texas, you can own this 0.57-acre lot for as little as $350 down. This beautiful property is close to Lake Corpus Christi, where you can enjoy boating and fishing and rafting on the lake. The property is 31 miles to George West and 41 miles to Three Rivers. Zoned for site-built homes only. Electricity is available in the area, but will require installation. A septic system and well are required. Taxes are $99 per year, and the POA fee is $60 per year. Owner financing is available. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Live Oak County, Texas. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.